Hey everyone, for today's video I want to show you a trick that I like to do to make my hairline look a little bit lower. And for the longest while, whenever I'd be styling my hair, what I would love to do is basically part my hair off to the side and have a heavy bang, but I'm not really into that look anymore. And the thing about it is my sister inspired me with this because she always loves to wear her hair in a middle part, but I just thought that I wasn't able to do that because of the size of my forehead. I didn't think it would be as flattering, but just from playing around and trying different things, I was able to find out a method that works out really great for me. So if you want to see that trick and 3 hairstyles that look really great with it, then just keep on watching. If you have a big forehead or even a 5 head like me, wearing your hair completely pulled back for any hairstyle probably isn't the most flattering for your head shape. So I'll be showing you some styling options that work great for a middle part or a side part to make your hairline look lowered. And let me know in the comments what is your preference. This method works best with stretched out or straight hair. For coils and curls, you want to make sure that the front by your roots are flat for this to work properly. So you can do a middle or a side part. I'm doing a middle part and I'm leaving a piece of my hair out. Then using a fine tooth comb, I'm bringing the side of my hair forward so that my thin temples don't show. And doing this makes a huge difference. I find that it's more flattering. And then I'm pulling my hair back, but not too tightly, and I'm tying it and then putting a scrunchie around it. Lastly, I fix the front up again, and that's how I do my basic ponytail. So again, I'm doing that same method by combing my hair forward and tucking it behind my ears. Then taking a big scrunchie, I'm gently pulling my hair back, I'm smoothing it and twisting it into a low bun. And I love doing this effortless protective style all year round, and it's my go-to look, especially with old hair and frizzy days. And for a tip, if you want your bun to look a little bit bigger, then just make sure not to wrap it as tightly and just loosen it. For this half up and half down hairstyle, there are 2 variations of it. So for the first look, I'm taking a small to medium amount of hair and loosely securing it with a scrunchie. And then for the second look, this is my favorite out of the 2. I'm tying it into a small bun, then I fan it out and adjust it, and that's it for this cute and simple style. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you have any tips or tricks, then leave that in the comment section so that we can read about that. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!